Hello guys, it's your boy Mark from Random Talk and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're first time passing by, kindly subscribe, like and share for you get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, on today's video I will be taking you and directing you on how you can turn your own image into cartoon, which makes it more good and very presentable. And the good news about it is that it is free. There is no registration or payment is being needed. All what you need is just a device, that is a laptop, being of any mark. You just have to click ahead. So okay guys, so first thing we have to do is I will show you the photo which I wish to turn into a cartoon image. So this is it. First we just have to proper look at the photo before we go into our program. Okay, so here is the photo that I want to turn into a cartoon. So okay, so next thing we have to do is we'll go onto our browser. Okay, there at our browser we just have to type in bfunky.com. okay, that is it, bfunky.com. so you want to click on search. Okay, so yeah, bfunky.com, here is our app. So next we have to click onto is get started. Okay, so we have to click on to edit photo. Okay, so once you click on edit photo, so you have to click onto open. This is it. Okay, so when you want to click on open, you can see there are a lot of files here. So you see computer, bfunky, Google Drive, Google Photos. So depending on wherever your photo might lie, so on my own I have to choose onto computer. Okay, so once you've chosen onto computer, you have to choose the photo you wish to turn into a cartoon image. So okay, here is it. So I have to click on it once. Okay, so that is our image. Okay, as you can see, so I have to scroll sideward and you scroll down a little, so you see like artsy, so you have to click onto artsy once. Okay, so this is it. You have a lot of different kind of cartoon design and animation depending on how you want your photo to look like. So there's digital art, there's cartoonizer art, there's poly art, there's music art, past art. There are a lot of them. So pen art. So okay, we'll click onto digital art. Okay, once you click on it, you have some other art which is about 6 in number. So you have something like cartoonizer DLX, you have underpainting DLX, oil painting DLX. So you have to click onto the first one, which is cartoonizer DLX. So you click on it once. Also once you click on it, it's gonna apply it on your photo. So I think after this your photo has to change automatically. Actually, I told you it takes about a minute or two depending on how fast your device might be. Okay, so here's our photo. So you can look at it, it's already in a cartoon form, but if you wish to add a lot of features on your photo, you scroll sideways. Here is it. You can blend your photo, that's making more bright or dark, as you can see on my own. So once you scroll a little bit sideways, you see it changed the brightness of your photo. That's it. And also, if you wish to have a lot of other settings on your photo, you just have to click onto settings. This is it. Click on it once. Okay, this is it. Here you can sharpen your image, that's to make it more bright, and it depends on how you want to. And once you're done, you have to click on to upgrade. So okay, and also with this software there are a lot of things you can do. That is, if you wish to add some layers on your photo and to group it, here you have to click on it. And if you, let me say, if you want to add alignment into your photo, you have to click here. And if you wish to take a full screen of your photo, this is it, you have to take here. And if you wish to zoom your photo, that is to see it more closer, so here is it. Okay, so this is it. You can see our photo is already in a cartoon animation way. And once you're done doing your photo, you just have to click, this is it, you have to scroll upward, you click on to save. Okay, so here you can save it directly into your computer, into bfunky, into Google Drive, into Google Photo. And if you click on more, here you can send it directly into Facebook, into Dropbox, into Pinterest, and into Twitter. So guys, That is it. Please, if you really find this video interesting, please kindly subscribe, like and share for you get notified each time I upload a new video. And please, if you face any difficulties doing this on your device, don't have no difficulties, please just drop it at the comment section where I'll see you soon.